guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Leizel, and for today's video I'm working in partnership with Fashion Nova to talk all things jeans. So I'm sure by now most of you guys would have at least heard something about Fashion Nova jeans. I feel like people either talk about it, post about it, they even rap about it, sing about it in their songs, and I'll be the first to admit that it has sparked my curiosity. So I have here a bunch of jeans from Fashion Nova. What I'm gonna do is try these on, show you guys how they look, talk about the quality, the fit, the feel, stretch, color, wash, all of that. We're just gonna be talking all about these jeans and seeing whether they really are worth the hype. Before I get started, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, you know what to do. Join the crew by hitting the little red subscribe button down below. So now that that's all out of the way, let's get started. I think I have about 8 pairs of jeans here to try on for you guys. Now, when it comes to sizing, I honestly did not know what size I was going to be. I kind of had to guess. I was back and forth between what it would be. I ended up getting a size 3. To put that into perspective for my fellow Aussies, because I know that we do go by a different sizing system down here, I typically go for like a size 8 when it comes to my jeans. So when it came to these, I figured like a 3 would be okay. But we're just gonna talk about the fit of each one as I show you guys each individual pair. I also should mention that I'm gonna leave like a direct link down in the description box to each of these pairs so you can go and look at them and check them out for yourselves. But just getting started, first pair that I have here are these. These are the Need a Pick Me Up Ultra High Rise jeans. Now, I typically don't go for jeans that are in this wash. I don't know, I've never gravitated towards jeans that are dark. I always like a lighter wash of jeans, but I figured that I should kind of step out of my comfort zone and try something different. So I did get a couple of pairs of jeans that are this type of color and wash. I already know I'm gonna have trouble holding these up to show you guys, but yeah, this is how they look. Me personally, I do favor a high rise jean, pant, whatever it is. I want it high rise. I felt like when I put these on, they fit really well. They were easy to put on. I wasn't struggling. The fit was as close to perfect as it gets for me. I typically don't really gravitate towards jeans that have like this whisker detailing on it. I don't know, I just never really liked it. But these, when I put them on, I felt like it looks kind of cute. Like, I didn't really mind it that much. I do feel like they are quite stretchy, which is great. Like, if you can see, they are pretty stretchy. Considering the fact that these are a high-rise skinny jean, that is perfect. I guess the only thing that I could be picky about with these is there's like a random slit in the left leg. But other than that, I really liked the fit, the feel. I even like the length of them. They just sit really nicely with the length of my legs. They don't gather up at the bottom, which is great. So for the first pair that I tried on, I really liked these. Next pair that we have, these are the Give Me All of You jeans. These are described as a medium blue wash. And when I first opened these up, like, I'll be honest, I wasn't really sure how I felt about the coloring of them. I just feel like there's a lot going on in terms of the wash. Of course, we've got the lighter wash on the back because that is supposed to enhance your butt. And then we do have like the whiskering here again, and then a couple little bits of like distressing going on. But to be honest, out of all the jeans that I tried, I'd probably say this pair were my least favorite, only for the fact that I feel like the color doesn't suit me personally. But in terms of the fit of these, they did fit me nicely. Again, they are quite stretchy. It's just, for me personally, the color of them, I don't think this is a color that suits me, but I do like the random bits of distressing that it has going on here. Next pair that I have are the Our Favorite jeans, and I think this is the style that is the most popular because they have so many different colors and washes in this style alone. So these are pretty much just your basic skinny leg, high-waisted jeans. The wash of them is pretty standard, like there's no extra stuff going on, but it does have the whisker detailing going on here, and also, yeah, around the thighs as well. I do like the color of these as well. Like I mentioned in the beginning, I typically gravitate towards a lighter wash of denim, but this with just like a basic plain white t-shirt and a pair of heels or even sneakers, I feel like that's like a staple outfit. And I can see myself just wearing these as like a typical basic everyday jean. Throw on these and a tee and I'm good to go. Again, the fit of these is pretty good, and like every other pair that I've showed you so far, they are stretchy. Like I said, I just see myself wearing these as like a typical classic everyday skinny legged jean. Next pair that I have to show you are a little bit different. These are called the full package high-rise jean. They are black as you can see, but they do have like a slight wax coating from what I can tell. I like plain black jeans, but the problem with that is that you kind of need like a little bit of variety. Like you need ones with a fade, you need your plain classic black, and then I feel like you need a pair like this as well with a wax coating. It just gives a whole different look. I feel like black jeans with a bit of a sheen to them look a little bit more edgy, so that's why I wanted to try these on and see how they are. Once again, these are stretchy as well, and just the overall quality of these are quite nice as well. I feel like the shine that it's giving off isn't too much, and I can see myself wearing these with like a pair of heels and a nice top, and these will kind of like make it look a little bit more edgy and dressed up as opposed to simple plain black jeans, so that's why I like these. Next up, I have another darker pair of jeans to show you guys. These are called the Ray skinny jeans, and they're described as the color gray. As you can see, they're black, but they have a lighter wash through them as well, which I guess would make them like a dark gray, light black type of thing. Once again, like every other pair I've talked about so far, these are a little bit stretchy. These felt really good on as well. I did like these. I feel like with all the jeans that I've spoken about so far, they all have a pretty good stretch to the fabric, so if you feel like you've gone a little bit too small with your sizing, they do give quite a good bit of stretch. So I feel like I could have gone down a size if I really wanted to, but I'm safe with the 3. Again, they're high rise and they are skinny in the legs. Yeah, I don't really have anything bad to say about these. When it comes to this specific pair, I felt like, yeah, they're good, but I'm not overly hyped up about them. I just feel like they're a good staple pair to have. All right, next pair. These ones are a little bit different because everything that I've shown you so far is high waist skinny legged jeans. These ones are, however, boyfriend jeans. So the name of them are the Gemenon boyfriend jeans. I think these ones are actually quite popular because when I did see them, there were a lot of sizes that were sold out, but luckily my size was in stock. However, we're going to talk about that in a second. Let me just show you the jeans first. This is how they look. They have a lot of distressing going on the legs. Me personally, I always used to think that boyfriend jeans, mom jeans, girlfriend jeans, all of that, I never liked them. Like I was a skinny jeans only kind of girl, but it's only recently that I've been getting into more looser fit jeans, especially if I'm going to be wearing a pair of sneakers and a tee. I just want like a more like slouchy kind of look when it comes to my jeans. So I do like these. I like them a lot. I didn't think I was gonna like the distressing, but I think it actually looks kind of cool. I think my only thing is that I like things that aren't so symmetrical when it comes to jeans, so it looks more authentic. These, obviously that is the style, but I like it. Like I think it looks nice. When it comes to the wash, you guys know that I love me a lighter wash jean, and this is like the color that I would go for. I feel like these with a lighter colored top, white, you guys know I love white, so this kind of wash and color with a white top, I'm for it. On the back, there's no distressing, there's nothing crazy going on. It's all up the front where you see everything happening. I should also mention that it doesn't come with a zip. It has like buttons to do it up. I do feel, however, that I could have gone down in a size with these because they are quite loose around my waist and my thighs and my butt, which I know boyfriend jeans aren't supposed to be tight, but I feel like these are just a little bit more on the looser side, so I probably could have gone down in a size. But in saying that, there isn't really much of a stretch in the fabric when it comes to these, so it definitely isn't the stretchy type. But for me personally, I feel like I could have gone down in a size. However, the way that they're sitting, I could probably throw a belt on and that'd be good. But I do like how loose it is around the thighs, and it just, yeah, I like it even with this outfit with a pair of heels and a plain top. I felt like it looked cute, so. All right, next pair. These are probably my least favorite, and you guys are gonna figure out why in just a sec, but these are called the Trying to Come Up girlfriend jeans. These ones right here are really low rise, and I don't like jeans that are low rise. I just need my jeans to be high rise so it can just hug my figure nicely and just keep everything together, if you know what I mean. So yeah, these are probably my least favorite pair, but I like the color. Don't get me wrong, I love the color, I love the wash. This is on the back of the knee. It has this on the back of the knees. And then of course it has the whiskering across here. And then a bit of like random distressing and rips around the knees and thighs, which I like. Like I said, I like it when it's sporadic and random. Again, I probably should have gone down in a size because they were really, really loose on me. And the fact that they weren't as like high rise as I would want them to be, but I think girlfriend jeans aren't meant to be high rise. Correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not really sure on that because I don't typically go for girlfriend jeans. But I really do like the color of them. Like I love the color. I love the wash. I love that they're cuffed up at the bottom. I just think that perhaps maybe if I went for a different size, a size smaller, I would have liked these more. So I might recommend for you guys to size down if you're interested in these. But these are the type of jeans that I just see myself wearing with like a t-shirt and some sneakers and I'd be good to go. All right, so this last pair here are ones that really sparked my curiosity because let me show you guys the tag. So these ones are called the But I Love You push-up jeans that enhances your assets and rounds the rest. It says it lifts your butt in all the right places. Butt lifting jeans. I've never tried any type of butt lifting jeans, but when it comes to my butt, I would describe it as it ain't big, but it's small and cute. So when I saw these, I was like, okay, let me just try them and see what they're all about. Now, let me just say, when I was looking at these, I was like, wow, these look really different to any types of jeans. Now I can see why they say it's butt enhancing, because first up, if you look at the back, just the detailing in itself, like they've got this stitching right here is all curved to of course make it look rounder. And I don't know how to describe it, but when I put these on, I did feel like it was tighter in this area here. So it just gives your butt like a a little bit of a push up, you know. Now when it comes to the color of these, again, I typically wouldn't go for this color, but I actually, you know, this color, this wash, this color of jeans, it's really growing on me. But going back to the wash and the details that it has going on, of course it has the whiskering here, has a little bit of distressing going on. It's got some around the thighs as well, and also some on the back of the knees. But from what I can tell, like on the back, yeah, the part that would enhance your jeans, that would enhance your butt, I feel, is the way that they've stitched around here. They've also got like this extra pleating going on here as far as I can tell. But yeah, when I put these on, the only problem that I have with them is that these aren't like high-waisted. I feel like they're more of a mid-rise on me. I don't know if I have a longer torso, but these are just, they didn't come as high as most high-rise jeans come on me. In terms of the quality of the fabric, it does have quite a fair bit of stretch to it, but as soon as I put these on, I knew they weren't high-waisted because the zip is like super short. But aside from that, do I think these enhanced my butt? I don't know, you guys tell me. Like, you guys watched the try on footage and you let me know what you think it did for me. But yeah, these were interesting to try on and see, because I know the whole hype around Fashion Nova jeans is that they make your butt look good. Alright guys, so my overall thoughts and opinions when it comes to the big question of, are Fashion Nova jeans worth the hype? Obviously you guys would have seen my honest thoughts and opinions throughout the video. There are some that I liked, there were some that I don't. We all have our different preferences when it comes to what feels right on our body, what fits right, what looks good to us. However, I really liked the first pair of jeans. I would have to say those were my favorite. And I did actually like our favorite high-rise skinny jeans. I think those are the most popular. Those are the ones that everybody goes for. So I'd have to say it is worth the hype for the pure fact that they have so many jeans to choose from. Like, let me tell you guys, if you're looking for your perfect pair of jeans, you are most likely to find it on Fashion Nova. And I would say they're worth the hype for the fact that they're inexpensive. Like, you don't have to pay a crazy amount for a good pair of jeans. And from what I've noticed on their website, they do have endless styles when it comes to their jeans. They've got skinny jean, high rise, low rise, mid rise, boyfriend, girlfriend, mom, like every type of jean you can think of, it's on there. And like I mentioned, they are pretty inexpensive and they're always having these crazy sales. So like I said in the beginning, I'm gonna have everything listed down in the description box below if you want to go and check it out for yourself. I just want to finish this up by saying thank you to Fashion Nova for working with me on this video, and I want you guys to comment down below and let me know what your favorite pair on me were. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're still here at the end watching and you're not yet subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit the little red button down below before you go so you don't miss any more videos that I post. Anyways, you guys, with all that being said, I hope you're all having an awesome week. I'll talk to you in the comments and I'll see you all in my next video.